Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick video on the assembly of the AdrenalWheel. So this is something that I designed. It's an accessory for the PlayStation 4 and for the PlayStation 5, and it's a steering wheel. It's a steering wheel to be used with the standard controller. So again, I have two different versions. One is for the PlayStation 4, which is this one. And then I also have a version for the PlayStation 5. The only difference is that this holder piece that holds the controller is just different. Other than that, the steering wheel is the same. So if you have both systems, you can just switch this out and you can use the wheel for both. Okay, I'm going to show a quick video on how to assemble. When I designed this, I designed it to be manufactured for 3D printing. I have two different Creality machines, and I've built all of these prototypes on those two machines that I have here in my garage. When I designed this, I tried to make something that had no external supports. So the parts come off of the printer is extremely clean. There's no snapping off support structures or having to clean up anything. All you do is take the part off of the surface, and there might be a little bit of cleanup here and there, but other than that, the parts are extremely clean and it goes together really, really easily. At the core of the unit, I have designed in a bearing. It's a 5/8, essentially it's a 5/8 go-kart bearing, and it slips onto a 5/8 shaft, metal shaft, and that connects to the clamp portion of the wheel. Today I'm just going to show the assembly of the wheel. So first you grab the center section and you place the bearing in the middle. You take the two side handles and place them like that. And you can see that everything is essentially sandwiched into what I call an ice cream sandwich construction. So you can see the bearing is trapped on the inside, the two side handles come in, and there's the top and bottom parts, these black parts, and that's what holds the hardware to bind it all together. I've designed it so there's hardware pressed into the bottom part. So now we simply tighten it down. The next step, you take the badge plate, click that into place. Whoop, my God, click that into place. Add the controller spacer, as I call it. And then you take the controller holder, and that slips down into place like that. And you can see that the badge plate is held in by the controller holder. And snug this down. Put these two pieces of hardware like that. And then bring in the side handles. First we put in these spacers and a side handle. Like so. I took some time to design this around some quality hardware. I didn't cheap out on the hardware. I wanted to make sure that these were really nice, like Allen heads, hex heads. So this all comes with all of the hardware comes with the steering wheel. Place this spacer. Place this spacer in, like so. Put this handle on. Like so. Oop. Let's get that all lined up. There we go, all lined up. Okay, now we're gonna put the throttles in, the thumb throttles. And all of this can be assembled with two Allen wrenches, but I'm just using power tools for the video. We add in the two throttles. Like that. And that completes the assembly of the AdrenalWheel. I created this because I wanted to make something that was super simple and was 100% wireless steering wheel solution for the PlayStation 4 and for the PlayStation 5. I realized that like using the controller in the motion control mode, that it had extreme sensitivity, and Sony designed this to be a ultra high precision device, and the sensors that are within this make this perform amazing. Essentially, the steering wheel is an extension of Sony's amazing technology. It's just an accessory. The throttles articulate onto the top thumb throttles, or the throttles on the top of the controller. These are progressive throttles. So these levers, as you press, when you give it a little bit of gas, it gives a little bit of gas. When you press and give it a lot of gas, it gives it a lot. The same with the brakes. So in the Gran Turismo video game series, you have extreme sensitivity when driving. You can feed in the throttle really slow as you're coming out of a turn, and then you can hit the brakes and actually back off the brakes if they lock up, and the game is extremely fun to play. I created this for people of all ages, kids, adults, anyone who wants to race and play on the PlayStation in the simplest way possible and the most fun possible, because when you play with this, you'll realize how fun it is. It's amazing. It's amazing. Sony's controller is amazing. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys have a chance to try this out someday. I'm gonna keep polishing it and keep making it better. I'm gonna improve the industrial design and just keep making it better. I'm gonna have multiple colors, and I plan on this being a fun option for everyone for many years to come. But thank you very much.